Hi guys, hope you people are doing good. Today we will review another e-store, that is Evons.com. In this video we will check out the details of this e-store, and by the end we will be able to decide either to buy the things from this store or either it is a legit or a scam store. So let's begin with our video. Evons.com is an online store or e-commerce store that deals with women's product and gym equipment. It was registered on 15th of June 2021 for 2 years. The expiry date of the domain is 15 June 2022. It is just 8 days old website, and it was registered from GoDaddy.com. They are offering you 14 days return policy, and products can be cancelled before shipped. Refund policy is for about 5 to 7 days, and free shipping on the order of greater than $40. So let's find out the positive points of shopping from this website. As it is designed properly, stock is available, customer can order in bulk quantity. Front of every product have been mentioned security, delivery and return policy. Side buttons are working properly. Features of particular products like style, dimension, pockets are mentioned. Address, contact details, email available on the website. Trendy backpacks, clutches, pockets are available. So what are the negative points of shopping from this e-commerce store is that it has low trust score. In our research on Google Trustpilot, no customer review was found. SSL certificate not available. Transportation time is about 15 to 30 days. The web portal is new, just 8 days old, so that is will take time to get or build its start. So for our viewers, we have done a deep research of the products and services what Evons provided. With clear look on the product, we are able to find out that every product has discount, so the customer will get attractive and they will not having a time to cross check any detail. Here people will get scammed by this new website. So before doing any transaction, we are suggesting you to do your own research too. So because feedback or reviews plays a very important role in spotting either the website is scam or legit. So we are unable to find any reviews of this website, so by this time we will just make you aware it's better to stay away this website, because we have discussed pros and cons that will help you to make a decision, a wise one decision.